everyone. Today I'm going to show you my spring front porch makeover. So I'm going to let you take a look, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. So go ahead and take a look at what I have. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I have here. The wreath was a DIY, and what I've done in the center, I put a little chick that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I also added the yellow flowers and the large bow at the top. The ribbon was purchased at the Dollar Tree, and so was the flowers. On the bottom, I added 3 white flowers, and they were all from Hobby Lobby. So that is my DIY wreath. It was very easy to put together, and instead of a bunny, I put the little chick inside. Okay, so you come down here. What I've done, I've taken 2 of the flower balls and added the Easter Bunny ears in it. The Easter Bunny ears were from Hobby Lobby, and the 2 boxwoods were from Joann Fabric, and all I did was put a dowel rod in between it to hold them together, and then I put the white bow in the center. If you remember, I had the Christmas trees I had made in this as a DIY. All I've done, I've taken them out and put in the 2 boxwood, added the ears, and a bow in the center. Now, next to the boxwoods, I have this little egg that I got from $5 and under. What I've done with it, I've added the cute beads that have a little chick on them. They were from Hobby Lobby because I decided I wanted to do the little chicks this year just to make it different than using the rabbit. As I said, the 2 golden eggs were stacked eggs from Five Below. I have the ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I made a bow, and then the eggs come with the little bunny on the top. All I did was painted the inside of his ears, gave him some eyes, and a little nose. So that is my spring outdoor porch. I hope I've given you some ideas when decorating your outdoor porch for the spring season. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on decorating for spring. If you would, hit that like, comment, and if you are not a part of our family, I'm going to ask you to come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. If you would, before you leave, just leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this DIY wreath and the DIY flower arrangement. And this mat did come from the Dollar Tree. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.